Shun Yamaguchi. I don't know. You got me on that one. Bryce Harper Prismic Power. And we got us a Kristen Yelich. Nice little old school Topps card, 35th anniversary. Corey Kubert. Gleyber Torres. Paul Goldschmidt. It's a nice prismatic card. We got Jake Cronenworth rookie card. From the Padres. George Soler. Bravo Ian Anderson rookie card. Alex Kirilloff rookie card. Got us a black on black Xander Bogaerts refractor. We get some cool ones here. Lewis Brinson. Tony Gonsolin. That's a good one there. Mark Canna. Got us a nice Max Kepler purple refractor. Can we get a numbered card in this? Some old 2021. Shane McClanahan, rookie. Blake Snell. David Dahl.